Paraguay are really in a tough spot, I would say. Like, yeah, obviously it kind of will help in a way if Chile can do a favor and qualify ahead of them, which means that 5 teams could go. But yeah, I don't know how you feel about Paraguay's chances. I
For
mean,
the kids themselves, I mean, for these guys looking into the bench and now seeing Antolin Alcaraz, a legend in the national team, somebody that has gone to Europe, made it so successful along his career, it has to be different for these guys, right? The respect is totally there, and I do think Antolin Alcaraz and the presence of Gustavo Alfaro, like Ralph said, could be important in these upcoming games. Also, I do think he's trying to chip in, and maybe Alcaraz is listening more to him than he was listened by Aldo Duscher. 5 teams, I think that's more than enough, Ralph, for us to be able to get to the next World Cup. I'm actually really excited about it because I look at the list, I look at our players, and I think we have enough. The team hasn't shown up, obviously, with the potential that it has, but I believe in Antolin Alcaraz. I think he's been getting ready for this new job. He's a new coach, anyways. He's just starting out. Let's not forget about that.
Okay, who's going to be the unlucky one that misses out? And you kind of think Argentina looking obviously very good. Colombia, they've looked pretty good. Uruguay, we just talked about. So then is it like between Brazil and Paraguay? And do Paraguay once again knock out Brazil, which I think they did in the first round, right? In the last time. You have is the Alcaraz Alfaro effect, where you have these people that can show you a pathway to how you can win without the ball and without being the best team. Because let's just remember who Antolin Alcaraz is. He's an FA Cup winner, one of the few kind of trophy winners we can talk about. There's a coach at the moment, international trophy. And so he won the FA Cup with a Wigan team that was not playing much with the ball, and they were playing, hard physical football, direct football to win that title. And so he can translate some of that lived experience to this group of players. And yeah, maybe we'll see them in Chile in the World Cup.